Central Crime Branch received credible information about the negotiations being carried out for illegal transaction and export of red sanders wood. Red sanders is a rare species of wood which is grown only in parts of Andhra Pradesh, particularly in Chittoor and Kurnool districts in the Nalamala region, and this is supposed to be unique in the entire world. Red sanders is said to be used and in high demand because of its medicinal value in countries like China and Japan. It is also used for making toys as well as musical instruments. Now, red sanders is in this particular operation called Rakta Chandana, the CCB have raided a number of locations, registered 4 cases against 21 persons, arrested 6 people, 15 of them are absconding, which we will get. There is a network of smugglers pertaining to red sanders, and that network also is being unraveled as a part of the investigation. Now, as far as the value of this captured red sanders is concerned, it is supposed to be in the region of more than 30 crore of rupees in international market. Correction, it is more than 35, so nearly 36.4 crore of rupees in the international market, that is markets like China and Japan. Whereas its local value, as per the information gathered from us, by us from the Forest Department, is about roughly 9 crore of rupees. It's a very high grade red sanders wood. And this particular operation was conducted by our CCB officers, as you know, led by DCP Crime and Joint CP Crime, and a number of officers have participated in this. Their efforts have been highly appreciated. There is a possibility that Forest Department, as per the government order, might be able to approve 2% of the local value as reward amount as per a government order, failing which we will be recommending for giving off at least an award of 5 lakh of rupees for this very important case, which we think is probably for the first time that such a large quantity of red sanders has been seized. Now, as far as the arrest of the remaining people are concerned, it will be done as soon as possible. There is also an international agent, Chinese, who seems to have operated in this, whose details are being collected, and we will take all necessary action, including international legal assistance, to secure him and bring him to justice.